And what kind of guarantee do I get on my work after? Nope.
Nope.
Sorry, nope.
Okay, start over.
Start over on that one. Okay. I'd like to show you what you can expect when you arrive for your appointment here with us. I don't like the wording of that one. Okay. Scratch that. And a final, I'm moving my hands around too much. Okay.
Can't see.
One more time with that sheet. Sorry.
No, that's okay.
Okay, sorry.
You're good.
Hey, it's Mark. Oh, hang on. Got HD camera. Also in the front, we have front collision center. Try that again. Also in the front, we have front collision. What are they called? Hang on a second. Let me just get that.
Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me? My name is Mike Kellum. This is the Gan Chev Virtual Walk-Around Series, 2021 Trailblazer, 2021 Traverse. How come we didn't get one of those RS Traverses? No big deal. Exhaust, as well as parking sensors here, so that you always know where the back of your vehicle is, so that you don't end up running it into something, which is very unpleasant. Camera, rear view mirror camera, and a bunch of other things that will be too long to list in this video, which I've been told can only be 3 to 5 minutes. By Dale. As well as the ability to install apps on here for places like Starbucks or McDonald's if you wanted to order any great takeout foods as you're driving around. This is the part that Dale says I'm talking about stuff that doesn't matter. I am strong. Thanks, Dale.
Seats are there.
It looks like in this particular car has been lent to someone and they had a dog in it. You air conditioning. We don't need that. Power liftgate, mat in the back. Let's do that again. There is another seat over here too. No!
Don't get that on camera.
No!